Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use list and description list. First, I'll teach you an order list. Type line break, then UL, LI, dog, LI, next LI, cat, then LI, lion, then close tag LI, and then UL. Then save it and refresh your browser, and it's working. Next, I will teach you how to use ordered list. Next, type UOL, then LI, dog, LI, cat, then LI, lion, then OL, then save. Refresh your browser, and then it's working. Next, I'll teach you how to change the type of order list. Here, the one. Let's type here. Type equals. If you want A, big A, then refresh. All is big A. If you want small a, refresh. All of is small a. If you want I, it's okay. Next step is description list. Let's type DL, DT, dog, DT, DD, best dog, DD. Next, DT, cat, DT, next DD, best Kit Kat, DD. Then close the L, then save it. Refresh your browser and check, and it's working. That's it. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.